The Delhi court on Thursday prima facie took exception to the plea filed by Bharatiya Janata Party leader and former Wrestling Federation of India president Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh seeking quashing of the sexual harassment case filed against him by women wrestlers. Now, for now, the High Court has not quashed the case and granted time to ex-BJP MP to file note on each contention seeking quashing of the FIR. So what did the High Court say and what did Singh say? Let's find out. The Court of Justice Neena Bansal Krishna has asked Singh to file a note with each complaint and instances of offence and the grounds of challenge against each and kept the matter next for consideration on September 26th. Singh has been directed to file the note before the court in 2 weeks' time. The court orally remarked, and I quote, "There can't be an omnibus order on quashing and setting aside all proceedings. If you were to challenge everything, all your averments have been considered at the time of framing of charges. If your case is these grounds were not agitated, maybe we can look into the case. This is an oblique way." Justice Krishna went on to add that if Singh's lawyer Mohan continues to argue the way he is, and I quote, "It'll take us 5 hours to look into each case." So what did Brij Bhushan argue? Well, Singh argued that there is a hidden agenda behind the complaints against him as he was the president of WFI at the time. Submitting that there is no commonality of the cause, Singh's counsel Rajiv Mohan argued that because he, as in Singh, was president of WFI and the common agenda was to remove him from the post of president. Each complainant is having her own grievances. None of these 6 persons came forward prior to 18 January 2023 to lodge or make any grievance against this person. Adding that in one of the complaints that led to the FIR against Singh in 2023, the complainant was allegedly assaulted in Mongolia. It was also argued that place of offence was Mongolia, not India, and law is well settled as per CRPC section 188. Courts in India doesn't have jurisdiction to try the case. Justice Neena Bansal Krishna, however, inquired from Mohan as to whether the offence ended there in Mongolia. Responding to the query, Singh's advocate added that while the same complainant has alleged a second instance of sexual assault at the WFI office in October 2017, the 2 incidents are not connected. He said there must be some connectivity between the 2 instances. I was not in Delhi at the time of the second instance. This is the record. Now, senior advocate Rebecca John countered Mohan, saying that the trial court has framed the charges with respect to the complaints made by 5 wrestlers and not 6, as the latter would be barred by limitation statute, and submitted that the same only goes on to show that the trial court has considered all aspects in detail while framing the charges. The trial in the case began in July, over a year after charge sheet was filed against Singh in June 2023. The trial court had framed charges against him only in May this year under IPC sections 354, which deals with assault or criminal force with intent to outrage modesty of a woman, and 354A, which deals with sexual harassment, after Singh had pleaded not guilty. The 1,500-page charge sheet against Singh for alleged sexual harassment, assault and stalking of 6 women wrestlers had included statements of at least 22 witnesses from across 4 states, including wrestlers, a referee, a coach and a physiotherapist, all of whom had corroborated the allegations. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.